ม็ดมะม่วง
Okay. Don't you just love munching on crispy cashew nut?
Yeah
They are even better when we mix with little spice and tiny fried fish. Make for an excellent snack, side dish, or
party nibbles
let me show you a proper spicy cashew nut snack we call
ยำเม็ดมะม่วงยำมะพร้าวหิมพานต์
Okay, great. Let's get to it. If you want to learn how to make more authentic Thai recipes, click the subscribe button and the little bell to get a note of new recipes videos from me. Are these roasted cashews or fried cashews?
I don't know
Well, we don't do a whole lot of roasting in Thailand, but we prefer to fry it. The cashews are crispier when they fried. It's quick and easy to make and a little spicy and plenty tasty. Just how I like it. Come on, let's go make it.
Yay
Let me show you the ingredient for yam เม็ดมะม่วงหิมพานต์
mint it smells good spring onion coffee lime leaf chili spur cashew nuts
I don't know, show it first.
cashew nuts cooking oil
Yes.
salt
First of all, we have to put cashew nuts in a pan before we add cooking oil. And little Katie will put it in the pan for me. So the reason that I put cashew nuts in the pan first, then the oil, and with no heat on, because first I don't want my cashew nuts to come out to burn and will getting bitter. And the other reason is my cashew nuts will come out even more crispier when I do it this way. Let's add the oil. Just to cover cashew nuts. Then turn the heat on. You got to be patient when you fry the cashews. We're looking for cashew nuts to be golden brown color. Cook them for a few minutes. And you have to pay attention on this. Otherwise, you end up with cashew nuts get burned. Stir the cashews so they cook evenly. They smell nice already. So prepare the kitchen towel and dry them on the plate. Oh, it smells so nice. Dab kitchen towel on the top. Dab the oil out from the cashews. Let me talk about chili. If you want to have spiciness more than normal, you can leave the seed in chili, spur chili, or you can use jinda chili. They're even more spiciest than spur chili. I'm preparing the chili, and today I'm using spur chili, and I will take the seed off. Then julienne it and then we will chop it up afterward. Spring onion. So for coffee lime leaf, you need to wash them to get rid of the dirty things in the leaf out, and then take the middle bit off. You can just tear it in, or you can julienne it, but I prefer to julienne it, then I can eat it easily. This is an option. Somebody doesn't like fish, but I do. So I prefer to put it in yum เม็ดมะม่วงหิมพานต์ today. So for next step, we will mix the yum เม็ดมะม่วงหิมพานต์ right? So first of all, we will add cashew nuts, fried cashew nuts that we just did it. Right, thank you. And then the fish. Then salt. Okay, thank you, darling. Now we will serve it on the plate.